2360, right out the back, 2360, 2370, 2370, 2370, wait, Neil Darby, Scott.
G'day afternoon, David Setches, Alex Scott and staff Pakenham, reporting on our feature weaner sale here, 19th of January. Today, roughly 2,600 cattle presented, with all weights and grades of cattle presented. Quite a run of heavier feedlot cattle, 4 to 550 kilos, and then through down to your 200 to 350 kilo weaners, and plenty of nice drafts of spring drop calves, both in your steers and your heifers. The sale today had limited firepower in the feedlot department. A lot of your steers that were $4.30 to $5.50 were back to sort of $4.15 to $4.45 sort of cents a kilo. And then when you drop down into your 300 to 350 kilo calves, the best of those calves made up to sort of $4.80 to $5, and then back from there.
21, 20, it's away, 21, 20 minutes, 21, little gears, 30, 21, 30 minutes, 21, 30 done, 21, 30, quick, 30, done, out the back of it, quick, 3 H&C.
The disappointment of the day, I would have to say, would be the females. Compared to a week ago, most of the drafts of heifers could have been back 60 to 80 cents a kilo, which sort of brings them back to rates of $3.70 to $3.95 to $4 a kilo. So, unfortunately, the heifer side of things today took a real check.
1780, Palmer, might go the sisters, eh? What the sisters, no markers. Yeah, right, do we are 1750, 1720. 1600 right, 100 got, 100 had, 1600 away now, 1610, 1610, 1610, 1610 away, 1610, 1610 off, 20, 1620 to no marks, 1620, 1620 to me, 1620, 1620, 1620 this end, 1620 right this end, 1620.
Check. We sort of lacked support from the north and those blokes chasing those good breeder females, so it was a bit disappointing on that side of things, but the top end of the weaner calves sold to, I touched on rates of last week, which was pleasing, but you'll have to say that we certainly missed a few of those western and northern buyers here today, and reflected in some of the prices. But all in all, they all found a home, but very few of the cattle went back north. Most of them sort of stayed local support, South Gippsland, East Gippsland, sort of, that's where most of the cattle went back to the paddock. So, yeah, look, we've got another sale on the 9th of February, and let's just hope things stay the same or improve, rebound a little bit, but time will tell, and look, we'll see you all again, hopefully on the second week of February. Thank you.
Are you partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent?